Okay, 1225 Redbird. Got the formal sitting, the formal dining, to the nook, the galley kitchen, back through at the living room, enclosed sunroom, bathroom number 1, bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2. Bedroom 1 and 2 share a Jack and Jill bathroom with a pretty green tub. And bedroom number 3 is also the master bedroom. Now the master bedroom has this closet, a little powder area, another closet, and bathroom number 1 is actually the master bathroom. So just need to look at that. Got water heater, and the furnace is in the attic. I'll take you outside and look at the backyard. It's a very nice lot. Nice lot, big backyard. That's it.